Have you ever noticed that nature never rushes, yet everything gets done? Last weekend, I spent time weeding and planting my small garden, and then something wonderful happened. The rain arrived exactly when the plants needed watering. The sunshine followed, providing warmth and energy. Nature works in harmony. And yet so many of us try to force our own growth. We pressure ourselves to have all the answers, to heal faster, to know exactly what comes next. But growth doesn't happen through force. It happens through consistency, patience, and the right conditions. The same is true for our mindset. Sometimes the most powerful thing we can do is stop fighting ourselves and create conditions for change. And that's exactly what I help people do through my breakthrough package. If you're feeling stuck despite all your self-development work, then visit my website and book a consultation. I'm Griffith, Transform with Belief and Behaviour. Have a great Monday.